You pretend to sneeze loudly. Achoo! Ever wondered why do we do this embarrassing explosion? Our nose is like a security alarm. Pollen, germs, or dust try to sneak in and boom. Your brain says throw them out. That meha blast is called a sneeze. A sneeze can shoot out air faster than a speeding car. So, yeah, you are a basically human rocket launcher. You can't stop every sneeze, but here are quick tricks. Stay away from dust and pollen, your nose's worst enemies. So next time sneeze, just say bye bye germs. But remember, holding sneeze is like holding a bomb. Better to let it out safely.